ebusu emu akwa babiom e de aba Ghana in Sem TV eso edi amejuso no any promise ebusu ya abrante bi di nsem bia todwa na ochiremu se afei na wahu de enti a NPP party ne koda ye so da ye se abatu aye ba beto de yi party executives national executives constituency any delegate no ehun be hia se be yi presidential candidate ne de awie ansana abeto aba be yi sa nkofo no because the reasons no they are very very valid but I never catch that wa enye de anameboa yes enu nti yenko tie nsem ono ankasa ebi na no de atodwa ne mbra na se yewi a ebe kire ajo ebusua yembo nwrem yenko tie nsem de todwa no embra
ene pa na mate ase de ntia NPP mpanyimfo omotena ase eka se yabeto presidential abano awie ansana yato any other election ewo party no ene na mate ase because ohwe de Canada Agyapong ya abusia se wan to presidential no ntemo a abusia Canada Agyapong de aye war or the war ene beba be si NPP mu na se war si NPP mu de a abusia na party no emu acheche wuntimi mfa a divided front enko 2028 elections da ene ena matiase afenso se yeto abani wi ade obeweni no ono such person is going to have a say on any part omo govern a party no any part omo bedi na chi akọ 2028 elections because ohwe de Kennedy any omo di na chi nyina eye no a abusia empapamu ena omo de ne ba enipa a ode mpapamu eba untimi mfa ni di na chi untimi mfa na chi difo endi na chi enko sisi party post right from the headquarters up to the grassroots level untimi mfa omo enko sisi sa party functionaries no anu so enunti there is much wisdom in what empanyimfo ne ye in fact ma salute omo pa otenase na wodwene ho a eniema esisi 2024 abusia yempese bibesi bio woni owini a omo beba be serve party no ewo party headquarters party chairman party general secretary party bia right from the headquarters to the local level no se wo sa enkro nipa kro na wo be we ni presidential no omo ye wo nipa na wo de hwe se yemfa ne se obi ti se bawumia aweni na Kennedy enipa general secretary na Kennedy enipa chairman na Kennedy enipa ewo grassroots level abusia ebeye yie enye yie da so once you try to cut the people I want no mobile 2028 no you have a say in them even parliamentary candidate cry odu mobile 2028 no you have to have a say in it say if you don't do that abusia sa no can no vote for no hey me say omobe ha papa enunti se bawomia weni a meme se bawomia oweni a ne nkrofo na ese ebeba bedi party nanim right from national headquarters constituency level polling station level babia we should cut Canada Agyapong and Crawford one after the other. We should cut them from the party. We should cut them from say sound Crawford rise to come and lead positions in the party. Na omo mfa me hanipa. Na omo mfa me hanipa. Say once bitten twice shy. Say aboa no okaw baako a eni se wo man kaw mienu.
Unim say no cry. Whatever this guy said, no cry. Imagine say you delegate constituency, regional, national, every year. Yen we ni Europa 2027 no. Enti ba be flag 2027 boy. Da ben na ba wuru ye hu fi nyina awie. Ama ye hu afi. Ye hu netie na techa ya buru ye hu wo mu no. Ye be ye hu fi na awie. Ama ye hu afi me ne the National Demonic Congress NDC abonsanfo yi akosia 2028. Se de make ani pa wadwim bi wadwum ne tinya na sam na make akire wo no. Because share eniema elkoso the new political party ni mu ene. I was say ka asem bi kire wo say senka ye to delegates ewie ye kwato delegates you say 2 months near to region constituency from constituency to regional near to national 4 different elections bro and Sunday be abey the flag bearer it's no tambre no na election ya ben because you say yes 2027 mu a abey to say yam she no because the next year election year and every mistake that obey bia no na for bearing and and especially where we are going for election, NDC is going to present a new candidate. Say making mistake near election 2028. Let's forget. I'm telling you, because NDC new candidate that's what we need. The main aim and our purpose being say, Obe Koso after another 4 years, which means Obe 8 years. And not just say about some people bet na ofie 12 good years about a party in the go. So the best approach and I say can leader no every na Matthew Macau ni nyina den every party ni mu. Eti about say dia afa ni ewie ni beto national regional constituency ni nyina ewie a they nya formidable team. They nya very strong executives. They are facing the National Demonic Congress 2028 na you 2 me no na me nu me nu position ni enso anya bi etimi so dia aboy nwanum chini ba mo ye de mo ba no ye see de oye enhuama de no o me pane nsa kwa e don't me show nkran say to abani former candidate o gidi so betimi di NPP aba power no talk about ba wo mia but the second Agyapong a very good candidate but with the way NDC any new candidate here by the election 2028 NPP is going to present new candidates. NDC is presenting a new candidate. Therefore, the new political party cannot present a new candidate. We need to present candidate. He has already been sold. People already knows him. His face has already been on the ballot paper before. That candidate, you know, it is very easy to sell because you have already sold him. Everybody knows him. You don't need to do any extraordinary campaign bia. So I'm begging you guys, the delegate, I'm to Abano. Senyamya Adoma 31st January next year. We just have some months to go because next week near November, we have 1 month and some baby. What I say? And then I'm saying 2027, 2028, you know, I have a 2 years. You better see us have a 12 baby. But 2026, I'll tell Dr. Mahmoud about Omiaba. 9 people party in Santana and so, Ejan and Asubium. Yes, them. Then drew a moon pianco to a delegate for no. Name will be an Agyapong draw. I'll bet my boy NPP party in the delegate for being some fast war. What I say? What I say? It is them. When I say my name be I know any camera. I got on some TV said they will catch on and say, Oba now make it so bad like you know what share. Now what you own your being so sad, it's me. I can be. Now one who dear Cosso, ever a Ghana say. But that's meeting at the promise.
Internet always support say boa. No German South constituency. The Mason said that is gate na moto aba a woman. Messer say, Munina Momwani and Swabama, alleged Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Papa no what's a ma or abotre or a here. Sir Papa you be a say to Abamana. Yen chilima yet to Abadia, my yen chilima. Unga who's a young roman brea, ya wombreo. Yen chilimantima, yɛbrɛ yɛto ɔbɛn nti yɛsrɛ Delegates a mo NPP a moto ɔyɛ bia yɛsrɛ ho sɛ ɔda number 3 ɛwɔ paper no so homo mmɔden na hondo ma yɛgyirima ndi yɛsrɛ ho hondo ɛma Dr. Mudu Bawumia papa no wɔ abotrɛ ɔbɛma yɛ adwuma ɔyɛ the digital man ɔno ne bɛtumi ayɛ nneɛma kɛseɛ de aboa Ghana yɛsrɛ ho sɛ NPP ɔyɛ ngambom papa ndi yɛsrɛ ho sɛ homma ne mfa ne ngambom kemra NPP ne NPP fo yɛndi ngyira na wɔnkyɛ ne hwehwi a ɛkɔ ngi papa eba obesiesie ne nyinaa ndi yɛsrɛ ho sɛ hondo ma no ɔda number 3
nyinaa fi akusiko bia mpembo edi wa Aris Mary Delegates a mewɔta no North constituency the meka kyerɛ mu nyinaa no sɛ momyɛ nto aba no ma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia because 2024 yɛhu ade a NPP yɛyɛ STEM schools a yɛsisi drone na ne yɛde deliver nduro ɛwɔ Ghana ha sei nneɛma bebree na akɔ so nti the meka kyerɛ mu nyinaa no sɛ ɔyɛ number 3 ɛwɔ ballot paper no so momyɛ nyinaa
Abusuya, me sure say cybersecurity amendment bill no unye bia kenkan but unye bi kenkan ya amenkan bi kakra nkyere unim say in the new cybersecurity amendment bill na omoniko parliament no say parliament agitu mu a sa emra we ebetimi ama even o WhatsApp chat a mo be chat o group mu no cybersecurity fine say offensive a ebetimi ajelu wan kasa mo WhatsApp chat na mo chat o WhatsApp group no on betimi enya access to chat no na mo nsa wo ka bibia cyber security threat a mo sa chat no mu nyina no ye betimi agele o endra abra opon nkroma former information minister any MP de ma ofuase ayidebi ekasa no say the proposed legislation will ensure that when you put up a comment on your WhatsApp chat groups and they are found offensive you could be jailed or chiremu say mo ankasa mo WhatsApp chat mo chat no say we put out some comment bi na cyber security for fine say you offensive a e betimi agele o chire wo say sa emre ya omudi bayi ade a anu ye hye papa yiye enu nti was as a Ghanaian no sorry na utimi ka say tia sa emra ne bi esan say bema wankasa of freedom crowd wo no untimi nya bi because wo chat crowd no e betimi atwesi abeche wo asem bi a wankasa wa chat WhatsApp group mu ade a ehu ye pa very very dangerous e wo say ye kasa editia hanom promise the local studios.
One place. I'm assuring you this time, if you get 0 from any constituency, we will not accept the results. I'm telling you, I am for peace, and I'm advising them that if they give 0, but you let them try and see. We are all men in this party. What you do in the north, I'll do it in the south. I want to state it emphatically because it's too much.
If that is too much, I could get a problem with that. Honorable that's hearing about
Honorable Kennedy Akompre Agyapong, please, I want to ask you a question. So, in case on the 31st of January 2026, when you go to the polls and really people vote against you in the north, none of the delegates in the north, unless some of the polling stations vote for you, you are saying that we should give you a vote even though they didn't vote for you. Is that what you're trying to say? I want to understand. Because you're saying that when you get zeros, you're not going to understand. You're not going to make sure that the other candidates also get zeros in the south. I want to ask you a very simple question. You are saying, are you trying to tell us that even if you get 0, they should give you a vote because you don't want to know or you don't want to see on the paper that you got 0? Bro, this is not a campaign. So let me tell you something. I don't know who is pushing you to say all this stuff, but someone who wants to be a president of this country knows the law. If indeed your polling station agent shows you evidence that you actually got a vote and they gave you 0, you can take the party and the election to court. You understand? If indeed your agent shows you evidence that actually verify that you got a vote and they gave you 0, you can take it to court. But if your agent has no evidence that you were cheated in the election and actually got 0, and you are still demanding to give you a vote, that one is going to work. Let me tell you something. There is no one in this political party that is afraid of you. Stop bragging. You always like shouting and making noise. That doesn't really vote. Let me tell you, whether you like it or not, you are going to lose. So be ready to accept the defeat. It is still possible.